Any of y'all priced these yellow bug lights lately? I mean, gosh, these things are terribly priced. I don't know why. But I was going to show you how to make your own. Now, I found over the last few years as I've been doing them, a regular incandescent lamp will only last about a month because they get so hot. The fluorescents, you can get about 6 months out of them. The LED lights, doesn't matter what brand, but the LED lights, they don't get hot, and so they seem to be lasting quite longer. I've had one in my outside fixture now for about 6 months, and it's still the same as when I painted it. But all I use is this Supermax epoxy. It says indoor, outdoor. Doesn't say anything about heat. For metal, wood, laminates, plastic, whatever. Of course, I know it works good on glass. Anyway, get you a 1-inch PVC fitting. It's just a coupling. Light bulb fits in there perfect. And just paint away. You can put as many coats on there as you like. It really doesn't matter. Just let it sit a few minutes in between coats. And now this one, since the bulb is inside, this is one of those CFLs, is inside this glass doesn't get hot at all. I took this one out. It's been up there for about a year, a little over a year. It still looks just like this. So this is another one you can use. And of course these are waterproof, don't matter. And that's all there is to it. Alrighty, good luck.